In this video, I'd like to show you how to make a corsage wristlet with a scrunchie or some sweet bracelets. Let's begin with a supply list. A scrunchie, of course, a bow, the wires will be important, about a foot of thin ribbon, butcher's twine, or even a chenille stone will work. Next, some cardstock. This is actually a paper plate that I have cut down to 1 by 1.5 inches. Let's get started. Round the edges of your cardstock. It makes it more wearable on the rest. After that, I've punched a hole on all 4 sides. This will allow me to thread my bow wires through the upper 2 ends. Snug it up so that it's flat against the cardstock. Secure with a twist on the back. Snip and fold over. At this point, it's time for your scrunchie or bracelet. Start by threading your thin ribbon through the hole on the underside, and then thread through the scrunchie to the hole on the other side. Pull it up till the scrunchie is secure against the cardstock. Tie it off underneath the bow. One more tie. Now it's time to trim your ribbon. That's it! You've turned a scrunchie and a paper plate into a great wristlet for a corsage. Fluff your bow and add flowers. You're done. No need for a store-bought wristlet when a DIY looks this good.